السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to 8 parts of our lesson series from the book titled Arabic Language for Beginners. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. التعبير Arabic expression. التعبير Arabic expression. We are going to learn from this lesson how to express ourselves in Arabic using some basic terms in Arabic. الكلمة the word ضدها its opposite. الكلمة the word ضدها its opposite. واحد number 1 افتح open. Iftah, open. You tell a single male person or you command a single male person to open with iftah. In the case of a female person, you say iftahi. Iftahi. So the opposite is aglik, close. Aglik, close. In the case of a single female person, you say agliki. Agliki, close. Ithnan, number 2. Maftuh. Maftuh, open. The opposite, moglak. Moglak or magluk. Magluk, close. Al-bab maftuh, the door is open. Al-bab moglak. Al-bab moglak, the door is closed. Thalatha, number 3. Tilmidh. Tilmidh, pupil, a male pupil. And the opposite, tilmidha. Tilmidha, a female pupil. Tilmiz, learner. Arba, number 4. Muallim. Muallim, male teacher. The opposite, muallima. Muallima, a female teacher. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-kalima, the word. ضدها, its opposite. Khamsa, number 5. Hudh. Hudh, take. If you are commanding a single female person to take, you say hudhi. Hudhi, take. Haka also means take. Haka, take. Haka al-qalam, take the pen. Haka al-kitab, take the book. Haka is applicable to both male and female without any grammatical change. So the opposite is hati, bring. Hati, hati al-qalam, bring the pen. Hati al-kitab, bring the book. Saba, number 7. Sitta, number 6. Nakib. Nakib, class captain. For a female, Nakibah. Nakibah, class captain. Saba, number 7. Al-yawm. Al-yawm, today. The opposite, gadan. Gadan, tomorrow. Thamania, number 8. Indi. Indi, I have. What is the opposite? Ma indi, I don't have. Ma indi, I don't have. Indi kitabun, I have a book. Indi qalamun, I have a pen. Ma indi kitabun, I don't have a book. Ma indi qalamun, I don't have a pen. Tisya, number 9. Akhun. Akhun, brother. So the opposite, akhtun. Akhtun, sister. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Then we talk about mufrad, singular, and jamu, plural. Wahid, number 1. Tilmidh. Tilmidh, male pupil. So the plural is talamidh. Talamidh, male pupils. Ithnan, number 2. Tilmidha. Tilmidha, a female pupil. So the opposite, so the plural, tilmidhat. Tilmidhat, female pupils. Thalatha, number 3. Muallim. Muallim, teacher. So the plural, muallimun. Muallimun, teachers. Arba'a, number 4. Muallima. Muallima, female teacher. Muallimat, معلمات female teachers. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Still talking about mufrad, singular and jamu plural. Wahid number 1. Hakiba. Hakiba, bag. The plural is haqaib. Haqaib, bags. Ithnan number 2. Naqib. Naqib, class captain. The plural nuqaba. Nuqaba, class captain. Thalatha number 3. Yawm. Yawm, day. Ayyam. Ayyam, days. Arba number 4. Indi. Indi, I have. So the plural indana. Indana, we have. Khamsa number 5. Ma indi. Ma indi, I don't have. The plural ma indana. Ma indana, we don't have. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Ma indana baytun. We don't have a house. Ma indana masjidun. We don't have a mosque. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Then we talk about mudhakkar and mu'annas. Mudhakkarun, masculine, being a word in Arabic that stands for a male person or a male object. Mu'annas, feminine. It is a word in Arabic that stands for a female person or a female object. Wahid number 1. Maftuh. Maftuh, open. That is mudhakkar. So the mu'annas is maftuha. Maftuha, open. Maftuh can only be attached to a male, to a word representing a male person or a male object in Arabic. For instance, al-bab. One can say al-babu maftuh. Al-babu maftuh, the door is open. But in the case of an-nafidhatu, an-nafidhatu, it is a feminine word. So we attach maftuha to it. We say an-nafidhatu maftuha. An-nafidhatu maftuha. The window is open. We don't say an-nafidhatu maftuh, rather an-nafidhatu maftuha. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Ithnan number 2. Naqib. Naqib. Who النقيب? هو النقيب الفصل. هو النقيب الفصل. He is the class captain. But هي نقيبة الفصل. هي نقيبة الفصل. She is the class captain. نقيب مذكر. نقيبة مؤنث. ثلاثة number 3. معلم, teacher. معلم, teacher. The مؤنث معلمة. معلمة, female teacher. هذا معلم. This is a teacher. هذا معلم. This is a teacher. هذه معلمة. هذه معلمة. This is a female teacher. أربعة number 4. خذ, take. خذ, take. That is مذكر. The مؤنث خذي. خذي, take. You tell a male person خذ, and a single female person say خذي. خذي يا عائشة. خذي الكتاب يا عائشة. Take the book. خذي الكتاب يا عائشة. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. So then we talk about mufrad, singular, and jamu plural. Babun. Babun. Do. Abwab. Abwab. Doors. Nafidha. Nafidha. Window. Nawafidh. Nawafidh. Windows. Tabshura. Tabshura. Chalk. Tabashir. Tabashir. Chalks. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now the revision exercise. Wahid number 1. Dash. هذا الباب يا زينب. So which of the two verbs are we going to use to fill in the gap? Is it iftah or iftahi? Commanding Zainab. Ithnan number 2. Dash هذا الباب يا أحمد. Is it agliki or aglik? ثلاثة number 3. Dash نافذة. Are we going to say هذا نافذة or هذه نافذة? Which of the two are we going to use to fill in the gap? أربعة number 4. Dash يا تلميذة. So are we going to say Hudhi ya tilmiza or Hudh ya tilmiza? So you know the answer. MashaAllah. Khamsa number 5. Whose dash? Are we going to say whose ya Ahmad or whose ya Fatima? You know the answer. Sitta number 6. Hadhihi dash. Are we going to say Hadhihi ahi or Hadhihi ukhti? You fill in the gap using one of the two ways. Sab'a number 7. Hadha dash. Is it Hadha ahi or Hadha ukhti? Thamania number 8. Al-babu dash. Is it al-babu maftuh or al-babu maftuha? Tisya number 9. An-nafidhatu dash. Is it an-nafidhatu maftuh or an-nafidhatu maftuha? You know the answer. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Ashara number 10. Al-babu dash. Is it moglaqa or moglak? Ahada ashara. An-nafidhatu dash. Is it an-nafidhatu moglaqa or moglak? Ithna ashara dash thalathu haqaib. Are we going to, okay? How do we say we have 3 bags? We have 3 bags in Arabic. Dash thalathu haqaib. Is it indi or indana? You know the answer. MashaAllah. Thalathata ashara 13. How are we going to say I am a dash? I am a dash. Ana dash. Is it nakib or nuqaba? Arba'ata ashara 14. Kam labithta. How long did you stay? Kam labithta. How long did you stay? So how do we say I stayed for 3 days? Are we going to say labistu thalathata yawman or thalathata ayyam? So which of the two are we going to use to fill in the gap? Khamsata ashara 15. Nahanu dash. We are dash. So are we going to say nahanu nakib or nahanu nuqabaw? You know the answer. Sittata ashara 16. Dash ya Zainab. So how do you say go Zainab? Go Zainab. Are we going to say izhab ya Zainab or izhabi ya Zainab? You know the answer. MashaAllah. Subhanakallahumma bihamdik. أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.